Hey there, folks. If you're a Chase Bank customer looking to send or receive money quickly and securely, Zelle is your new best friend. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Zelle with your Chase account. Whether you're splitting a dinner bill or sending cash to a family member, this guide will get you up and running in no time. First off, what's Zelle? It's a fast, free way to transfer money directly from your bank account to someone else's, and since Chase is integrated with Zelle, you can do it all right from your Chase app. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase mobile app installed on your phone and that your account is set up for online banking. Step 1. Open your Chase app and log in. Once you're in, look for the Pay and Transfer section. It's usually front and center. There, you'll find Zelle listed as an option. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll. Just tap on Zelle and follow the prompts to verify your identity. This might involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Next, add your contacts. Zelle makes it easy to connect with people using their email or phone number. Search for them in the app, and if they're enrolled in Zelle, you're good to go. Now, for the fun part, sending money. Select the contact you want to pay, enter the amount, add a note if you like, and hit send. The money typically arrives in minutes. Don't forget about receiving money too. When someone sends you funds via Zelle, it goes straight into your Chase account. Just make sure your email or phone number is linked correctly. A few quick tips to keep things safe. Always double-check the recipient's details before sending, and never share your Zelle PIN or verification codes. Also, be aware of any daily limits set by Chase, usually around $500 for new users, but you can increase that over time. And there you have it. Using Zelle with Chase is straightforward and super convenient. If you run into any issues, Chase's customer support is just a call away. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more money-saving tips.